Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Canon Apron. Today we're going to make a coconut shrimp. I'll get it in a minute. Coconut shrimp, rice, and vegetable egg roll. I'm going to use the my air fryer. Now, Tom's kind of new to the shrimp thing. A few months ago we went on a cruise. One of our stops was in Cozumel, Mexico. If you've been on a cruise before and you went to Cozumel, Mexico, you've probably been to Mr Sancho's, who has some of the most delicious coconut fried shrimp. So I want to try to do that here. Let's go. Okay, it's going to be just a little bit loud, obviously, because the air fryer is going. I already have, they're pre-made, my egg rolls. It's just a vegetable egg roll, and it's pre-made, and we're cooking it in the air fryer. I have some water over here boiling with a little bit of soy sauce in it that I'm going to cook our rice in. Now, we've looked for coconut aminos, cocoa aminos, however you want to call it, and can't seem to find it right now. So we're just going to have to stick with our low sodium soy sauce. This is just 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And then I have 1 egg that I'm going to scramble up. And then I'm using Italian breadcrumbs because I wanted that little bit of garlicky flavor in it. But we're going to mix up 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, and we're also going to use, I'm using unsweetened coconut, shredded coconut. You can use sweetened if you want to. I choose not to. But we're going to put 1/3 cup in with these panko breading, or the panko crumbs, and we're just going to mix that around. Now, I'm also going to put just a very small amount, and I'm saying a very small amount because Tom's going to try this. He's not tried it before. He's willing to try it, which is awesome in my book, but just the smallest bit of cayenne pepper. We're just going to mix all that in together. I already have my shrimp over here. I've rinsed them. I went ahead and got the shrimp that is deveined, no tails. You can do it whichever way you want to do it. I choose to go ahead and get it that's already cleaned. But we're just going to mix this around. And what we're going to do, it's the whole drudge thing. We're going to put it in the flour. Then we're going to go to the egg. Then we're going to go to the coconut and panko crumbs that I'm just mixing around. When you put your shrimp into the breadcrumbs and the coconut, you want to put it in and you want to mash it really hard. Not like really hard, but you know, mash it really good to get them to stick real well. And then we're going to put them in the air fryer, preheated 400 degrees, 5 minutes. Then we're going to, we're going to spray a little bit of olive oil spray on them. But we're going to air fry them for 5 minutes. Then we're going to flip them over and do the same for the other side. So as soon as these vegetable egg rolls finish, then we'll go ahead and start the rest of the process. So I'll be back with you shortly. I've got it heating back up to 400 degrees. It's got like 2 minutes to go. Let me check on our rice over here. Yeah, rice is looking good. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Let it just sit there for a little while. It's just the minute rice, guys, the boil-in bag minute rice. I've already rinsed off our little shrimp. I did find one shrimp that needed the needed its tail trimmed. Now, let's go ahead and get it in here in the egg wash, or in the egg, and get it in there just really good. I don't know why I'm using my fingers. Let me rinse my fingers off and use the tongs, like we're supposed to do. I'm acting rather uncivilized. Alright, now, we're going to put this in there, and like I was saying, cover it up real good, give it a real good little squishy squish down in there. Now, you can just grab you a, I think that's what I'm going to do too. I'm going to grab me a rack, and oh, you know, sometimes I just don't have enough room at all. But grab a rack, and then I'm going to take this over here and lay it on the rack. And we'll go ahead and get all the rest of them ready. Alright, one more left. And, alright, into the pool we go. Our last bit of egg that washed around, and set that out of the way. I did make a bit of a mess, but hey, I'm cooking. That does happen. Alright. Yeah. Just swoosh it down in there really good. Get it covered really well. Yeah. There we go. See? I'm going to go ahead and spray these with olive oil. And then we're going to go ahead and single layer. Put these in our air fryer. Try not to let them touch each other if you can. Might have to do it in two. Oops. Okay, okay, let's see if we can squeeze these all in here. I don't want to have to do two batches. So I just try to. I have one more to go. Come here, big guy. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. 5 minutes, and then we're going to turn them over, and then we're going to do 5 more minutes. So I'll be back with you all in a few minutes. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. So now I'm just going to flip them over, and sorry it's dark in here. I don't know why it's so dark. I mean, more so than usual. I'm just going to use my fingers. Do it like that. It smells really, really, really good. That coconut browning in there. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. I'm up for trying these. That's for sure. So I'm going to flip them over just like that. And yeah, let's try 5 more minutes. The sauce that's over here is for Tom, and it's the we actually use, it's a marinade, but we use it just as a sauce as well. And the one that I have is the sweet chili sugar-free dipping sauce that I told you, G. Hughes. We really do like G. Hughes products. And I stand by them when I say they are some of the best that I've had. Now, here's our bowls. Oh, there we go. Guess what that is? That is our shrimp. Okay, I went ahead and put a little bit of that teriyaki marinade in my rice. Tom has a little bit of soy sauce on his rice. And then there's our look. There's our veggie egg roll that we put in the air fryer earlier. And let me go ahead and unplug that. Here is our delicious shrimp. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour these in there, and then we'll put a few in here because, like I said, Tom does want to give them a try. You know, I hope I didn't overcook them. I thought 5 minutes on each side sounded pretty good, but I don't know. Look at that. Isn't that just delicious looking, guys? It absolutely looks delicious. So, we have our sauce. Delicious. Now, I'm trying new things with this camera, guys, if y'all haven't noticed. Oh boy. Okay. Tom has his. Excuse my big old head in the way. I have mine. So, it really smells good.
It smells good, yeah.
So we're going to dip it in the sauce.
Here we go.
Very hot. Ooh.
Very hot. But to answer y'all's question, that's good food.
Sweet chili sauce, don't let it fool you. Woo, that stuff will light you up. But my goodness, it's so good.
Y'all turn your head for a minute. I'm going to take a couple of shrimp out of her bowl and put them in mine. So
That's saying something because he always hollers, I don't like shrimp, I don't like shrimp.
I normally don't. This is the first time I've ever had shrimp in my 50 years, and I liked it.
Try this spicy. I mean, it's really spicy.
Okay.
Very spicy, but isn't that good? Okay. My little smooshed up egg roll, veggie egg roll. They're very good.
Yeah. That's good stuff, y'all.
Look at that. Perfect inside. Delicious. Alright. Y'all take care. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Click that button, please. If you click the notifications, the bell, you'll know every time we put new content on. This is something new for us, totally new. I've never made shrimp at home. I like it. Definitely a hit.
Definitely a hit.
So, y'all take care and we'll see you next time. Bye.